Hey everybody, this is Dane. I'm just about 22 minutes outside of Tulsa. I want to show you a really nice looking repo. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, let's go inside and take a look. This is a real nice 3-bedroom. I like the little kids can walk in here and drop their backpacks and their shoes as they come in. Huge living area, kitchen, open living concept. Got the nice ceiling fan with the beams up top. Great big windows in the front. Yeah, this home is real nice. If you're looking for a repo, this is a good one, everybody. Now remember, as I've talked about my other videos, we're gonna have more repos. People have been wanting to see them, so subscribe to the channel. But let's go through and take a look at this kitchen. This is awesome. I love this island here with the big built-ins on the end of it. Now look at this. This is so cool. I've had several people that have already commented on the hidden pantry. Check this out. I probably should have saved that for last, but I couldn't wait. Let's go in here and look at it. Open it up. Massive pantry. Wow, this thing's huge. Wow. Transom window up top, nice for lighting, natural lighting in here. This thing is massive. You know, any preppers, they would love this setup. All right, let's go ahead and shut the door on the hidden pantry. Love that pantry. Yeah, that's incredible. Got the big farm sink with the big window here. Still got your dishwasher, but you'll need to get your stove. Got your Vent-A-Hood. This is really nice. Let's check out the cabinets in here. Wow. I'll tell you the price here in a minute once we do the walkthrough. So just hang tight with me here. This has got an incredible amount of cabinets all the way throughout. Wow. Now you don't see this every day. Look, you got 1, 2, 3 plug-ins up on your island. I like how you can do your prep work here and everybody can sit up at the bar. Great spot with the built-ins for your TV. Got a lot of lighting in the ceiling there. I like that. Let's go down here. Dual vanity sink there. I think this one's a little bit over 1,800 feet. Really big linen closet there. Let's check this out. For the price you're asking for this one, it's in really good shape. Yeah, we'll get to the price here in a minute before we finish. Now remember, when you're looking at repos, we got to get you pre-approved if you don't have cash. We can do that. And if you're looking for land, we got land around here to help you get it set up on. We recently got a few acres, or several acre lots that you can get into just about 22 minutes outside of Tulsa. So this would be a great home to set up on the land if you wanted. Big closet in this bedroom. This one's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,800 square feet. These rooms are really big. And we got the lino throughout, so that makes it nice. Got the lights in the ceiling there. Yeah, this one's in great shape. One more bedroom down here, so got 2 bedrooms on this end. Looks like you got another big closet. This one's in real good shape. And nice sized bedrooms. I love the gray color walls they chose here. Really nice. Oh, check this out. Look at this right here, back in your laundry utility. Got a little dog wash here. That's really cool. A lot of people like the dog wash. There's your hot water heater. Got plenty of cabinets up here above the utility for your washer dryer. This is a really neat layout, everybody. There's your door going out the side. And that is cool, that dog wash. I like it. So as we come back through here, let's go down and check out the primary bedroom. This is a really neat layout, everybody. I know this one's gonna go quick, so as I say on the repos, make sure you reach out to me. We need you to do the walkthrough, and then we need, after you've said, yes, I want to put an offer in on it, you know the drill, move quick. All right, so let's see here. So here's your primary bedroom, 2 big windows. Got the barn door going into the bathroom. This is an incredible bathroom. Check this out. Big tub. Got your big shower over here. That's a massive shower. Oh, look at that. You got the high dollar upgraded spa. That thing costs a lot of money. That's really cool they got that in this one. Got your dual vanity sink there. It's in great shape. A lot of great windows and natural lighting in this one. Love that tub. Really cool. Got the frosted windows for privacy there if you're in the tub. And check this out. This closet is incredible. Look how big this is. Got a lot of built-ins here, right in the middle. Yeah, I'm loving this bathroom. Tell me in the comments what y'all think about this bathroom and that shower. That shower is incredible. Big, big bedroom. Definitely get your king size suite in here, no problem. Let's go check out that kitchen one more time. Well, this would be a great one to have gatherings during the holidays. 4th of July. Labor Day weekend, Memorial Day weekend. Could you see the family hanging out here? Boy, I sure could. Give me your comments what y'all like about this one. Be sure to like and subscribe. that's a wrap.